How to find password settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find password settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click this 3 points here and go down, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click account info, and here you will find password. Just click this icon here, and after you click on it, if you want to change it, just type your current password and then your new password, and then confirm your new password again and click update. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.